Welcome to this video, video 8 of the series Pattern Modeling with GIMP. This video is going to go over the Select tool. Under the Select menu, you can select All, which selects the whole canvas. Select None, keyboard shortcut Shift-Control-A, which undoes any selection that you have. Once you have a selection, you can invert that selection using Select Invert. You can float the selection in the Layers palette. Basically what it does is it cuts the selection out of the layer that is selected at the time and creates a floating selection layer that can then be turned into a layer under the Layers palette to New Layer. I'm going to undo this. You can create a path from the selection by Select to Path. I'm going to right click a tab in the dockable dialogues, choose the Paths dockable dialog. Click the eyeball icon and it shows us the path that was just created. Shift-Control-A to unselect. And then under the Select menu from Path, any path that is selected at the time, select from Path, turns that path into a selection. Of course, you can turn off the path with the eyeball icon. To feather a selection, select Feather 20 pixels, Shift Q, Quick Mask Mode. You can see that it feathered the edge of the selection. You can also sharpen the edge of a selection with the Select Sharpen, which sharpens the edge. You can shrink a selection. I'll shrink this selection by 20 pixels. It shrinks by 20 pixels. Grow a selection. Here I have grow by 20 pixels. Grows the selection, which will actually kind of round off some of the edges. You can turn a selection into a border. Let's make a border of 10 pixels from each side of the selection. Control Z. You can also do a border with a feathered edge, which feathers the edge with a gradient. Control Z to undo. You can distort an edge, which just makes a jagged edge on it. Rounded rectangle. Let's see. Using the rectangle tool. Rounded rectangle. Gives you a dialog box where you can choose a pixel radius for the rounded rectangle. I'm going to undo that. You can also do a rounded rectangle with a concave edge. If you wanted to make a border or something with a concave edge like that. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.